In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in your Wix website. By the end, you'll feel confident starting a professional-looking newsletter right from your Wix dashboard, and you won't need any extra tools. First, open your Wix dashboard. This is your main control center for your site. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. Give the page a moment to load so all the site tools appear on the left-hand menu. Think of the dashboard as your home base. Everything you need for marketing, design, and settings branches out from here. Next, head to Marketing and SEO, then choose Email Marketing and click Create New Campaign. Marketing and SEO is usually in the main left-hand navigation. Once you're in Email Marketing, Create New Campaign will start a fresh email project dedicated to this newsletter. Consider giving your campaign a clear internal name so you can easily find it later. It helps to keep a simple goal in mind, like updating subscribers about new blog posts or promoting an event, so your content stays focused and relevant. Now, choose a newsletter template and customize it. Wix provides a range of modern, mobile-friendly templates, so start by browsing the newsletter category and pick one that matches your brand style. In the editor, replace placeholder text with your own headline, introduction, and short, scannable sections. Keep paragraphs concise and use action-oriented language so readers know exactly what to do next. Add your logo and adjust colors and fonts to match your website for a cohesive brand experience. Swap in your images and make sure they're clear, properly cropped, and optimized so the email loads quickly. Update buttons with specific calls to action and link them to the right pages on your site. If your template includes social icons, connect them to your official profiles. For accessibility, add descriptive alt text to images and maintain good color contrast for readability. Take a moment to check spacing and alignment so the layout looks clean. Keep your design to a single column structure where possible. It's easier to read on mobile. Use the preview options to see how the newsletter looks on desktop and mobile, and skim it like a busy reader would. Adjust anything that feels cluttered or unclear. Craft a simple, honest subject line and preview text that reflect the content inside. When you're happy with the look and message, save your work. That's it. Open the dashboard, go to email marketing, create a new campaign, choose a newsletter template, and make it your own. Now you're ready to build consistent on-brand newsletters with Wix.